The power of recycling is a commitment to the environment. As evergreen urbanists, Wing and Panayota are excited to present this tutorial. They bring a wealth of knowledge and a passion for sustainable urban development, making them ideal guides for sharing insights on creating more environmentally friendly and livable cities. Whether it's green infrastructure, smart urban planning, or community engagement, their expertise will help you navigate the path to more sustainable urban living. Recycling is a powerful tool for reducing resource depletion, energy consumption, and environmental pollution. It conserves valuable resources, saves energy, and reduces landfill waste, all while promoting economic growth and sustainability. By extending the life cycle of materials and products, recycling contributes to a cleaner environment and a more responsible and eco-conscious society. This is the 5 concept of zero waste: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle and rot. Today, we are going to talk about recycle in this tutorial. What happens to recycling in Florida? In 2023, the Central Florida city of Deltona found that its curbside recycling program cost too much and was generating too few environmental benefits. The city paid $80 per ton to process waste paper that sold for $5 a ton, for example. The market for recyclables was so slow that material stacked up, deteriorated beyond use and wound up in a landfill anyway. Some 55%, about 215 pounds of recycling materials go to landfills or incinerators. Only around 45%, about 173 pounds, gets sent off to be turned into new products. Only around 45%, about 173 pounds, gets sent off to be turned into new products. Do you really know about recycling? Just one piece of garbage in a recycling bin makes it all garbage. Recycling is the power of sustainable living. Let us show you how. This is today's agenda. We are going to talk about who and where to recycle. What to recycle. When to recycle. Why do we need to recycle? We are going to demonstrate how to recycle and measure success. There will be fun games at the end to check your knowledge. Every individual, every community, every business, every school, and every heart can be part of this change. Recycling happens everywhere, from homes and schools to parks and cities. Recycling bins, e-waste facilities, and centers transform materials. It's a collective effort, creating a harmonious, sustainable world. Any items labeled as store drop-off, such as plastic bags or Amazon packages, can be dropped off at the store, including Publix, Walmart, Target, and various others, offering drop-off locations for recycling items like plastic bags and specific packaging materials. These retail stores often have designated bins or collection points near their entrances where customers can dispose of these materials for recycling. Many office supply stores, including Staples and Office Depot, offer recycling programs for printer cartridges and electronic waste, e-waste, while providing cash rebates or store credits. This is a convenient and environmentally responsible way to dispose of these items. Participants can be encouraged to take advantage of such programs to not only recycle these materials properly but also benefit from the rebates or credits offered by these stores, making recycling financially rewarding as well as eco-friendly. Many hardware stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, and Ace Hardware often provide convenient drop-off locations for recycling batteries and light bulbs. Recycling these items at hardware stores is not only an environmentally responsible practice but also contributes to safe disposal and proper recycling of potentially hazardous material. Now you know who and where can recycle. Let's talk about what can be recycled. Materials are recycled, benefiting the environment. Paper, glass, plastics, metals, electronics, organic waste, textiles, batteries, and tires all find new life in the recycling process, supporting sustainability. Plastic resin identification codes, often found on products. Here are brief descriptions of each code from 1 to 7. 1. PET, common on beverage bottles, easily recyclable. 2 HDPE, typically used for milk jugs, highly recyclable. 3 PVC, less commonly recycled due to chlorine content. 4 LDPE, found in plastic bags, recyclable for various products. 5 PP, common in yogurt containers, recyclable for items like brooms. 6 PS, often used for foam packaging, less commonly recycled. 7 Other, encompasses various plastics, challenging to recycle due to mixed types. These identification codes help consumers and recyclers differentiate between different types of plastics. It's important to check local recycling guidelines to determine which types are accepted for recycling in your area, due to mixed types. These identification codes help consumers and recyclers differentiate between different types of plastics. It's important to check local recycling guidelines to determine which types are accepted for recycling in your area. Plastics are numbered 1 to 7, but not all are recyclable everywhere. Local regulations vary, so what you can recycle might differ from your neighbors. Recycling depends on market demand. Materials in demand get recycled. It must also be cost-effective, as recycling competes with new materials. Mixing non-recyclables with recyclables can contaminate the recyclables, rendering them unusable. Being informed about local laws is crucial. It's crucial to check your local recycling guidelines and schedules. Different areas have their own rules and acceptable materials. Staying informed ensures proper recycling and contributes to a sustainable community, reducing mistakes and contamination. Recycling is an ongoing effort and can be done at any time. Local programs and facilities provide guidelines and schedules for curbside pickup or drop-off, making it accessible and convenient. Recycling is a captivating journey of redemption. It's a symphony of sustainability, an act of hope for cleaner air, untouched landscapes, and thriving ecosystems. Recycling is a powerful testament to our interconnectedness and a chance to craft a legacy where our actions shape a brighter future. It takes center stage in the theater of a greener world, where even the simplest act can script a harmonious tomorrow. On average, Americans throw away about 1,200 pounds of organic garbage each year. We only recycle about 67.2 million tons of a possible 267.8 million tons, less than a quarter of total municipal solid waste. The EPA estimates that around 75% of all waste is recyclable. Each American produces about 4.51 pounds of trash in a single day. Approximately 292.4 million tons of municipal solid waste were generated in 2018, but only about 32% of that waste was recycled, leaving a substantial amount destined for landfills or incineration. That's why we need to recycle right. Recycling cuts emissions. It reduces the need for raw materials and energy-intensive production. For example, recycling cardboard saves space and lowers emissions significantly. Recycling is a transformative act, and it begins with a simple yet impactful choice. In your daily routine, it's as easy as designating a dedicated recycling bin, and sort materials like paper, plastic, glass, and metal. Your commitment to recycling sends a powerful message of responsibility, choreographing a more sustainable future for our planet. To recycle effectively, avoid including food waste, soiled or wet paper and cardboard, and make sure bottles and coffee cups are free of liquid. Keep recyclables empty, clean, and dry, and don't bag them. These practices help maintain the quality of recycling materials and ensure they can be processed effectively. The benefit of recycling is to reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills and incinerators. Conserves natural resources such as timber, water, and minerals. Prevents pollution and reduces greenhouse gases by reducing the need to mine and process new raw materials. There are 7 benefits: financial benefit, conservation of resources, energy savings, community building, jobs creation, strong economy, environment protection. Recycling works like magic, turning trash into valuable resources. It reduces landfill size, conserves resources, cuts greenhouse gas emissions, saves energy, and promotes greener technologies. Let's see how much you've learned from our video. There are 5 questions to test your knowledge. False. You cannot recycle dirty takeout containers. False. You don't need to bag your recycle. The answer is blue. It is 2. HDPE. The answer is red. The answer is blue. Number 5, PET. Yogurt containers are often made from either polypropylene, PP, plastic, which is labeled with the recycling code 5, or high-density polyethylene, HDPE, plastic. Let's change it and start recycling today. Please check out the websites shown on the next page. Thank you for watching. Key takeaway: to recycle effectively, remember to exclude food waste, soiled or wet paper and cardboard, and ensure that bottles and coffee cups are free of liquids. It's essential to keep recyclables empty, clean, and dry. Additionally, refrain from bagging your recyclables. Following these practices safeguards the quality of recycling materials, making the recycling process more efficient and environmentally friendly.